Alright guys, gonna go live, looking for 3 winners. 9:03 p.m., 9:03 p.m. Top 3 will win a box choice. Copy the list, 10 entries. 10 entries, Kyle on top, Dennis on bottom. Dice roll 5 or higher. 4 is not enough. 8 times is good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, click top 3. Good luck. Joshua, Jeffrey, Danny, spots 5, 6, and 9. There's a verification code. We are done. 9:04 p.m. Congrats winners. Please PM me choice of box in order of finish.